Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we are going to be assembling the M7 Priest Kangaroo, or defrocked M7 Priest, whatever you want to call it, but probably I'll list it as M7 Priest Kangaroo. It's basically the M7 Priest without a gun, just an armored personnel carrier. So I already assembled the one with the covered version, just to show you how it is. We will be assembling now the one without the canopy, the canvas top, because, well, the assembly is the same. Well, of course, even easier for the one with the top. So first of all, of course, we just take and cut away the pieces of the kit. Let's cut all the sprues, part by part. Great, piece by piece. And there's this, that's good. Just making sure that each piece is ready to be glued together. There you go. Then there's this. Alright, so the kit pieces are ready to be glued together. So let's get this process going. So first of all, referencing this. First of all, we're going to get some glue here and here, referencing the assembled one already. There you go. And then while we're at it, let's go ahead and glue the back. Take this piece and put it on like that. So that's coming along nicely. Up next is we're gonna glue on this piece here. So you want it even with the back like that, but then centered like this. And like I'm doing here, it's always good to test fit pieces, make sure everything's working well. Yeah, so everything's working well, of course. Yes. Just putting a bit of glue here and there. So now we need to put this piece like this. So after making sure that the front lines up well and the back lines up well, you're good to go with that. So the next process for this is, of course, this part. So we can put a little glue there, put a little glue there, there, and there. And for this, it's fairly simple. Just take the tracks and put them like so, and make sure that the back is lined up well like that. Now let's do the other side. So move it there, 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 and there. Now we got our tracks on. Now, the next step for this kit is just to put a little glue there. And then let's put this piece on like that. There you go. Now, this piece is the reason why they called it the priest, I believe, is because of this. It looked like a podium in the church or the chapel. No. Where the preacher speaks. And so that's why they called it. Last but not least is just to glue on these side panels, so you can just put some glue on the edge there. And I believe this is optional, but if, extra armor on the sides doesn't hurt. And of course, now let's glue that armor on this side as well. Essentially just a big sheet of metal placed there to help. Alright, so there they are, the M7 Priest Kangaroos, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thanks so much for watching.